Hello everyone. So we're gonna start with question number 28 today. According to the question, an aqueous solution contains an unknown concentration of Ba2 positive. So when 50 ml of a 1 molar solution of Na2SO4 is added to BaSO4, it just begins to precipitate. The final volume is 50 ml. The solubility product of BaSO4 is this. The original concentration of Ba2 plus. So we have to find the original concentration of Ba2 plus. Therefore, we know the final concentration is 500 ml. Therefore, the final concentration of SO4 minus equals to 50 into 1 upon 500 equals to 0.1 molar, which is according to question. So KSP of BaSO4 will be Ba2 plus and SO4 2 minus, which is equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 10, which is given here. You can see. So concentration of Ba2 plus in the final solution is 10 to the power minus 9 molar. Concentration of Ba2 plus in the original solution will be M1V1 equals to M2V2 according to the law. So M1 into 500 minus 50 equals to 10 to the power minus 9 into 500. So M1 equals to 1.11 into 10 to the power minus 9 molar, which is answer number 2. So this option is the correct option. Thank you everyone.